Hindi ko binti ito. Ayaw ka sa mga. Kaya hindi pa spiker.
Ay, anan. Wait lang. Paguray pa.
Try to shoot, try to shoot.
Ay, pwede.
Sige, go.
9, 8, 7, 6. Impasa na, imbal babalbag na lakta, imbal babalbag na.
Shoot na tumanay.
Impasa na, in-shoot ni Basilio, impasa na. Try to shoot, 10, 9. Hanganapan, imbal babalbag ni 23, impasa na, inaagaw ni 4, impasa na, ini 12. Pasa na kini Basilio, lapan! Muy bien, Basilio. 2 points.
Ram Basilio.
Basilio kini Basilia.
Sige, kumentor kayo.
Try to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chapo!
Hice Eurovisión ayer.
2 points. Lamang po ang Cavite. Pinto Rosales, 0.
¿Quieres ser pantalla, señor?
He's right.
Remaining time, 7 minutes, 52 seconds. First quarter.
Baldog.
Cavite, 2-0.
Imbaldog na.
Baldong na, bakal na. Impasa na kay Basilio, shoot na, hangarap pa. Agaw ni 23, impasa na kina sa Shekre, impasa na niya Kabuana, shoot na, napaw.
Dahil ito yung mangyari na
Dahil ni Kungkunak.
Sino ka, Paul?
23. Remaining time, 7 minutes, 13 seconds. 1 point, De La Cruz. May shot ni De La Cruz.
Tempe kami lang nun ah.
Imbal-balbag na, shot na, hanganap pa! Bola
Ayaw
dalasa.
lang ikwa, adik ko. Ayaw ikwa lang sa magbalik. Kaya dinagan. Por favor.
14 to shoot, Pinto Rosales.
Pass to number 23. Trying to...
Naglagingin di Mano, 23. 6 minutes, 29 seconds, first quarter. Empasa na, naagaw na! Yung rimbar dyan, bola! Ano single Mr. Guapo?
Mr. Pogi, Mr. Announcer.
Dahil empasa na, babal.
Isa na! Lapan! Jimmy Topol!
Remaining time 5 minutes 40 seconds. First quarter. 10 to shoot. 10, 9,
3 points.
3 points.
By
2 points. Pardon, 2 points. 23.
Sorry.
O, di may sa magtayo.
Ba't naga?
Ang pagpiksaw ng bulit.
Dahil nag-iwan lang.
Napanin. Score 5-4.
At tagay number 22 at the side, pass to 19, fade away, but pass to 29 for 2. Rebound by number 4, pass to the point guard, number 12, Quaternos pass back. Turnover. Sayang.
Bright.
Again, one pass there. Pick up by number 4, Torreira, number 1. Number 1 for 3. Rebound by number 21. Easy na. Pass to the point guard, number 23.
Gracias, Kuya.
Remaining time, 4 minutes.
Remaining time, 4 minutes, 30 seconds.
First quarter.
23 to number 19, Casasiebres. Side, step, move. Agawan sa rebound, number 23, picking up the rebound. Pass to number 1, Raven. Pass to Jimmy.
Basilio.
Yeah.
Crispy.
Di pa rin nagbabago.
Pagkari ba sila natunaw na nasyonal?
Oh, cambio, arbitro.
Na. Mamaya.
Go.
Goodness me, Lord.
Di pwede yan. Kaya printer. Ay, kide.
Warning. Warning.
Malay. Yan ay
La próxima técnica.
La próxima.
Alright, Mr. Akang number 22. Again, Akang looking for his teammate. Number 20, fadeaway shot. Rebound by number 4 again. Sabi niya, easy lang. Alright. Ayan na naman. Tapo ngayon ang Pinto, number 22. Akang for the left hand shot. Again, still by Mr. Akang. Number 22, figure shot. Good defense by number 4. Pass to number 12 to number 7 at the side. Jimmy! Bam! 3 points.
Tres.
Alright. Cambio.
Awan.
Alright, for his speed number 22. Ang pumasok sa
Precise lang ata. Dahil lang nga 3 points agad.
Number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Alright, for his second shot. And miss. Number 23 on the rebound. And ang big man, ang Cavite. Alright, but the point guard, Mr. Reid, at number 1. And now, looking for his teammate to number 23, the big man for 3! Another shot there for 3!
Yeah!
Cavite.
Last 2.
That's 2 minutes! Again, number 22, Akang for left hand shot again. Rebound by number 23, the big man of Cavite. Pass to Basilio. Long pass to Raven. Sayang lumabas. Number 4 on the rebound. To number 23. There's a foul.
Oh, bawal makmura ha.
Alright.
Jimmy. Balik ka na sa sabi ko.
Alright, 2 free throws on Mr. Montero. First shot is no good. Now for his second shot, 1 minute 35 seconds left. And second shot is no violation po. Alright, 1 minute 29. First quarter. Again, number 23. Number 23 again. Pass to number 7 to number 23. What a play there by number 7, number 23. 1 minute 8 seconds. Akang faking the shot. What a shot by number 22. Okay. 1 minute left. 1 minute. Raven, pass to Jimmy at the side for 3! Bang! Sunod yan.
Yaman mo.
40 seconds. Again, Mr. Templo Nuevo. 30 seconds. Traveling violation. 28 seconds left. Substitution. Substitution na kayo. Pintor. Alright. 28 seconds, 28 seconds. There's a 4-second difference between the shot clock and game clock. Our score stands at 17-9. 20 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Ayan na. 9 seconds left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's a 2 second. 2 seconds. Foul plus basket. Bonus shot on number 20. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Bonus shot yan. Bonus shot. And 1. Tiempo!
Like, vamos yung wing play. Nagal na dyan na number 20.
Nagan na dyan number 20.
Ah, 99 naman nakabil to, 99.
Nakali may ginion suot na.
Ah, sa bagay suot na.
Alright, bagong pasok sa Aquino. Loud pass to the big man, number 23! Ayan.
Gumagaling na si Rafi ah. Oh, madagdag.
Ayan, lumalay na po ang Cavite, 19-11. Templo Nuevo for 3! Bagong pasok. Again, Aquino taking a shot, slashing inside for the layup. Rebound by number 23. Ang si Templo Nuevo. Templo Nuevo now versus number 2, Mr. Aquino. Templo Nuevo still on the ball. Left hand shot. No more rebound by number 15, but last touch ng Pinto Rosales.
Awan mo dyan kadwada nga ko.
Hindi na lang eh.
Napakugit siya.
Again, for the slash number 27. Rebound by number 23. Natanggal yung chinilas. Ito. Alright, kakasimple to number 23. Teko na para sa bagong pasok. Number 26 na big man Butler sa reach in foul on number 5. Sige na to. Number 2 more 3 ang si Mac. 3 points, 3 points yun, 3 points. Okay, Aquino, number 15, float, Denise, nilapit pa, back shot is too strong. Still, bola ng Cavite.
19.
Again, the big man to number 27, Armstrong. Again, 10 seconds shot clock, back. There's a 3-second violation sa loob. Itlog. Ayan na. Dalawa na lang yan, 19-17. Number 23, Casa, syempre, back from behind by number 27, Armstrong. Picking up the loose ball, number 23, back to the point, number 5 for the time shot, number 2 for the putback, wala pa rin, but there's a foul on number 23, substitution. Number 23 ng Cavite. Okay, on Templo Nuevo. Number 5 to Armstrong, back to Armstrong. Recall call now, number 0. Number 5 the side for 3 to Strong. Rebound by the big man, number 26. Pass to Iken. Iken, open shot at the 3. And now, wala. Number 23 for the putback, wala pa rin. Number 5, Flor Denise on the rebound. Number 15, looking for his teammate. To number 11, number 11, Aquino, rebound by number 23. Again, long pass to Casa siyempre. Number 19, ginamit ang katawan, there's a foul! On number 0. Si
Chicharon.
Nicole po.
Mr. Chicharon. 6
Two free
minutes.
throws to number 19. Last 6 minutes. Second quarter na po yan. 2 shots on Mr. Casa siyempre. And first shot is good. Cutting the lead now to just 1 point, 19 to 11. And ties the game. Ayan na. Empate po tayo. Empate. 19 all. Di pa nakaka-score ang Cavite. Scoreless po sila.
5 minutes, 50 seconds.
Alright.
Every time, second.
Again, Flor Delis, long shot, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 5, pinapuntak number 20 to the rebound. Yan si Templo Nuevo, double team, faster big man, number 26, another back, reaching foul number 11, substitution. And now, Cavite. Again, number 20, again, Templo Nuevo slashing inside. Still by number 4. Pass to Aquino. Aquino for the layup. Ayan na, nakascore na ang Cavite. 2-point lead now for Cavite Boys. Again, si Ikel Ventura, number 2. Templo Nuevo, number 23. 4 minutes remaining for the big man, number 26. Wow, shot for the Sagarani.
4 minutes.
4 minutes remaining. Second quarter. Ayan, laban-laban yan. Empate po daw, 21 all. Aquino, guard by number 17. Pass to number 10 sa Armstrong, nabitawan. Kick out to number 4. 10 seconds shot na. 9, 8, 7, 6. Malakas masyado. Back, foul pa si Armstrong, number 27. Right. Alright, warning for penalty na po ang Cavite. Our Pilla slashing inside. Pass to the big man! Sige, pag-deadball tayo. 3 minutes, 10 seconds. Again, Aquino. Okay, number 11, 2, Flor Delis. Flor Delis! Nabitawan, tiyan the loose ball. 10 second shot clock. 9, 8, 7. Ayan, tiyan the loose ball number. Still by Aquino. Pass to Armstrong. Wala pa rin. But there's a foul on number 26.
Cambio, cambio. Pito, pito, pito.
Foul number 26 sa big man. Ayan, 23. Foul pala yung number 23.
Pero ay cambio, no? Ay
Oh, cambio na.
14 to shoot.
14 second shot lang. Again, they call on the inbound, number 8 on the receive. 10 second shot clock. 9, 8, 7. Ayan, number 8 on the offensive rebound. Block from the number 19. Pick up miss. On miss 11 now. 10 seconds, but there's a foul on number
23.
23 o 17.
17 yung isa.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
Serve, dito, serve.
Reserve, cambio.
Again, Califor call on the receive. Pass to number 8. Back. Still back as a siyempre, number 19. Number 19. Pinay the 1-4. Number 20 and number 17. Last touch. Cambio. Cambio.
75.
Tranquilo, tranquilo.
Naganda, JC, aja mas sampai di sana. Penting. Sino pilih? Pilih. Pilih number 17. Kita mau
Alright, 1 minute 40 seconds. Again, Aquino. Pass to number 8 for 3. Too short. Number 26 on the rebound. 1 minute 28 seconds. Second quarter. 21 to 23. Lamang po ng dalawa ang Pintor Rosales. Casa siyempre. But there's a foul on number 8. Penalty na po ang Cavite. Dos tiro. 1 minute 19 seconds left. 2 shots from Mr. Casa siyempre.
inform aja 23 naman, 23 tadi kan.
Dua, Kin Maisa. Aji Ortilia, Muno, di ba Sugilas? Dua lang di Maisa ni Kuhaji.
First shot.
Dua.
Dua. Alright.
Uno.
Now for his second shot, Mr. Casa syempre ay pumasok din yung tama. 1 minute 19 seconds. Alright, on the receipt. Number 12 to recall goal, number 00. Up. 10 second shot lang, 10 second shot lang. 1 minute left, 10 second shot lang. 9, 8, 7, and still by uptown. Pass to number 17, Ortilia for the layup, too short. Pass to number 22, again. Sayang, number 11, 40 seconds. Aquino, pass to recall ball. 35 seconds. To number 12, open shot for 3. Rebound by the big man, number 23 ng Cavite. But stepping on the line. 23.
Me he dado cuenta que estos señores tienen 2.23.
Ya, tiene 32. No, 32 ha puesto aquí. Ese
Toma,
32.
32.
32, 23. Lo tengo, vale.
Aquí apuntado,
No
apuntado.
os preocupéis. Lugar tega, pero...
Nasa mid.
24 seconds left, 24. Wanang shot lang. And Mr. Agtan setting up the play for Pinto Rosales. Guard by number 12. Setting up, number 20. Ayan na, 20! Lumabas pa! But 5 seconds left, 5 seconds. 5 seconds na lang yan, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, tiempo! Sayang. Ayan. Alright, number 20 daw na inbound, number 20, number 32 on the receive, double team on him, kami magawan. Number 22, Agtam for the left hand shot, no good, rebound by number 11 ng Cavite. Back to number 7, Basilio, 2, Raven, number 1. Ayan na, simula na ang Cavite. Cutting the lead now to just 2 points, 25 to 23 in favor of Pinto Rosales and Chucha the number 32, yan si Ortilia. Extending the lead to 4 points, 27 to 23. Again, Mr. Raven to Basilio. Basilio, number 7. Basilio for 3 this time. Walang sinaman.
Basilio.
Nilamig na.
32, el...
Again, number 22, reverse layup, wala, rebound by number 4, pass to Jimmy, to Mr. Aquino, number 11 still on the ball, Raven, taking the shot, number 11 for 2, wala pa rin, rebound by the big man, number 26 to number 22, Mr. Ramdam nakasot sa gilid, back,
Ay, sorry.
offensive foul on number 22, Mr. Ramdam. Medyo nag-extend yung kami.
Kaya lang.
Ayan.
Tawag na kinakot talaga.
Ayan, Mr. Raven, number 1. Setting up the play, number 1 to Jimmy Basilio. Jimmy Basilio still on the ball. Double team pass to number 11. 10 second shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Agawan sa rebound, number 11. There's a foul on number 21 ng Pinto Rosales. 2 free throws on Mr. Aquino. Remaining time 7 minutes 40 seconds. Now for his second shot. Ayan, pumasok na. Lumipat ng team to eh. Lumipat ng team, di ba? Alright, warning. Kahit former teammates yun, huwag yung gagawin lang sa laro kasi.
Kaya tayo dyan. Por favor.
Alright, Mr. Lantan to number 29 on the side, Lumobo pa! Ganda ng smile, ganda pa ng takbo. 7 minutes remaining. Again, ang 5-point lead, 29-24, still by number 22 back. Late call there by the big referee. Again, follow number 22, Mr. Aktam. Mr. Aktam, second personal foul, 13 foul.
6 minutes.
Again, Basilio, taking off
Time to
3,
shoot.
number 11, inside pass, back, 3 second violation, call. Number 23. Again, number 22 back to number 11 to number 32, Mr. Orpilla. Too short, number 4 back. There's a foul on number 29. Substitution. Pumasok na. Delikado. Warning for penalty. Again, Mr. Raven to Basilio, long shot, wala pa rin pumasok, rebound by
Iron Man.
Iron Man. Again,
Time to shoot.
10 second shot clock, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, ayun na, rebound by number 18, but last touch ng blue. Same, 14 seconds pa rin. 14 seconds, 5 minutes, 10 seconds left, third quarter. Again on the side, Mr. Raven, guard by number 22. At the low post, Iron Man versus Sakuragi.
Nakaya.
Dito. Third personal foul.
Penalty na po.
Dos.
Penalty situation na po ang Into Rosales.
Third personal foul. 22.
Number 22, third personal foul.
Talo.
Again, first shot ni Iron Man. Parang ano lang.
Parang may shoot.
Now for his second shot.
Wala.
Pumasok pa rin. Again, number 21, De La Cruz. There's a foul sa baba, number 7. Teka.
Gilang. Ay, isa. Huwag kang nireview sa balaw. Alay. Isa.
Ano ba yan?
27.
Alright, number 27, Big Man. There's a foul on Mr. Rico, number 0.
Kurang lang sa kape.
Wait, check natin yung score po. Check natin.
May sala na pa.
Dito po ang official score dito. Alright, 2 free throws on Mr. Hasildo, number 2. Alright, ang score po natin ay 29-26. Lamang po ang Into Rosales ng tatlo. 2 free throws on Mr. Hasildo. First shot is no good for number 26.
Mani.
Second shot, wala pa rin. About 31, but there's a push from behind on number. Isa pa. Lane violation. Isa pa. Okay, isa pa.
Stepping yung linya.
Number 26 now, wala pa rin. Rebound by 21 for the putback. Pumasok, number 21. Extended the lead now to 5 points, 31 to 26. With 2 minutes 20 seconds remaining at third quarter. And Basilio now driving on the side, pass to the big man, number 18, back, there's a foul on number 26, the big man. Penalty.
Oras.
2 minutes 1 second. Two free throws again, Mr. Ironman. Reserve sa po tayo, substitution.
Pagpasok yan. Pagpasok. Si Mete, cambio.
Ano si Karabal Edward?
We'd like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Anthony Edwards. Ayun.
Cambio.
Cambio po tayo, cambio. Last 2 minutes, last 2 minutes. Ayun, Mr. Lanes, pasok, again number 10. Ayan na. Again number 22, Mr. Atang. To number 32, Orpilla. Pass to number 10.
Time to shoot!
10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7. Rebound by Lanes number 5. 1 minute 37 seconds. Lanes number 5, number 32. At the side, number 12. Sabi ko magawa. Ayan. 14 to shoot back.
Ano ba yan?
1 minute 22 seconds. Again, number 10 to number 21, De La Cruz. De La Cruz to number 10. 10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8. Ayan, nagawa na. Back foul on number 21. Foul on number 21. Time out. Pinto Rosales. First shot ni Mr. Recolcon. Hindi pa rin minute.
No, hana tago. Danong.
Alright, second shot now, Mr. Recolcon. 1 minute 6 seconds. Third quarter. And wala pa rin. Rebound by number. Foul on number 7. Warning for penalty na po. Again, nasa siyempre. Sugaro. Again, number 23. 50 seconds. Again, nakagawal sa likod. Gets his own miss, but foul on Mr. Number 7. Third person. Warning. Warning for penalty na. 46 seconds. Jimmy, third personal foul. 46 seconds. 14 second shot clock. Again on the receive, number 23. Templo Nuevo for the layup. Oh, good. Rebound by number 18. Binali ball back. Tumapat na sa linya. 38 seconds. Again, number 19. Casa, siyempre, traveling violation, number 19. 36 seconds, 36 seconds. Hintayin nyo.
Oras.
36 seconds. 36 seconds. 36.
Oras.
29 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock.
Time to shoot.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Shoot.
18 seconds. 14. 10 seconds. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left.
Anong plan?
10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tiempo!
Oh, sorry. Ano dito eh? O, kasama.
Ito mga komensyator.
Alright. Fourth and final quarter na yan. Fourth and final quarter. 31-20. 3-point lead for Pintor Rosales. Again, number 11, Aquino now on the receive. Guard by number 22. Number 20 na sundutan. Steal by number 20. Pass to number 23. Again, Mr. Templo Nuevo to number 21. Rebound by the big man, number 21. Number 23 ng Cavite. Again, there's Mr. Raven. Raven now. 1-2, Jimmy. Turnover na naman yan ng Cavite. It's a scoreless fourth quarter. 31-28 pa rin. Alright, Mr. Atang, number 22. Number 22 now. To number 20. 20 open sa bat. Pasa pala yun. Bat. Number 21 siya. The loose ball for the foot of number 20. Rebound by number 7. Basilio. Foul on number 21. Number 21.
De La Cruz.
Number 21. Fourth personal foul. First team foul. Apat na. Again, Mr. Raven to number 11. Number 11, Aquino. White guard ng Cavite. Guard number 20. Back to 11. At the low post, number 23. Number 23. Nagawan sa baba. Number 22 now naman, Mr. Atang. Number 23 to number 22. Back reaching foul on number 1.
Shoot. Counted yun?
Ang si Raven. Hindi po counted yun, hindi po counted. First, second personal, first team foul. Ang sa team Pintor Rosales. 8 minutes, 30 seconds. Again, now the magaw, number 10, foul again on Mr. Number 7. Number 7. Fourth personal foul, second team foul.
Can shoot!
10 seconds at left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Agawan sa rebound. Number 20. Pass to number 10. What a play there by Mr. 20. Number 20 and Mr. Atang, number 22. Extending the lead now to 5 points, 33-28. Raven now versus the young man. 10 seconds at clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Ayan. Foul on the young man. Last basket on number 23. 20, number 20. First personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot now on Mr. Montero. Number 23. Ayan na. To cut the lead. If you make the 3-point play, Mr. Montero, number 23. Ayan, 3-point play na. Cutting lead now to just 2 points, 33-21. With 7 minutes, 40 seconds remaining. Sige. Number 22 again, number 20, and side for 2 this time. Rebound by number 7. Long pass to Raven. Raven, pass to the big man, number 23. We are tied at 33. Number 22 again, De La Cruz. Too short. 23 on the rebound. The big big man, number 20, foul on number 22. Mr. Actam.
Cambio.
Substitution. Number 22, fourth personal foul. 13 foul. 2 free throws of Mr. Montero. Alright, 7 minutes, 4 seconds.
7.
Again, making his first shot sa free throw, number 23. Ayun na. Lumamang na ang Cavite ng isa, 34 to 33. And a possible 2 points if he make the second shot. Mr. Montero for his second shot. 7 minutes, 4 seconds. Ayan, galing sa free throw. Lamang na ng dalawa. 35 to 33 ang Cavite. With 7 minutes remaining on the game. Okay, number 21, Tang. Looking at his partner. Templo Nuevo on the side. Guard by number 11. And taking a shot. Shoot! Wala na, number 11. Forward ng rebound. Pass to their point guard. Miss na lagi number 11. Number 11, still on the ball. Aquino for the ball! There's a foul! Pass basket! Foul on number 22. Number 22. 5 fouls. Bonus shot now on Mr. Aquino. Again, Aquino na on this bonus shot or a 3-point play. And ayan, pasok na rin yung 3-point play nila. Sila na po ang lamang ng 5, 38 to 33. 6 minutes, 30 seconds. Again, Orpilla, Linovo. Picking up the loose ball, number 7-2, Raven, for 2! Ayan na, lumulobo na po ang laman ng Cavite. 40 to 33, 7-point lead for the Cavite boys. Again, Templo Nuevo, number 23, pass to the Bima, number 20, there's a foul sa baba. Number 4, si Gagale. Third team foul po yan. At the side, Templo Nuevo. Diyan, pumapasok. Ayan, 3 points. Number 23. 5 minutes, 48 seconds left. Again, Raven, number 1. To Basilio, back to Raven, number 1. Inside pass back. Last touchdown. 7 seconds shot clock. 7 seconds. 7 to shoot. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa rebound, number 1, 14 seconds yan. 14 seconds. And to shoot, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lumala sa rin. Rebound number 90. Ang sukasa siyempre. Ayan, nagaw sa likod. Number 7, Mr. Basilio. Isang pass to Aquino. Five minutes, 6 seconds.
Gago na balit ako,
Alright, ayan na. Back to the ball game. 5 minutes remaining, 5 minutes. 6-point lead still on Cavite, 36 to 42. Again, naritong nagaw, number 23. 10 seconds shot clock. There's a foul on number 1. Number 1, Raven. 1/3 personal foul. Warning for penalty. 4 minutes, 40 seconds. Nagawan. Jenny Basilio, tumaktak na. Yes, yes,
Ya, tiro libre de la falta de antes. ¿Cuántos tiros, cuántas faltas de equipo llevan?
Paco, he dicho penalti.
Warning for penalty. Árbitro. Tama. Árbitro. Time out. Pinto Rosales. Alright, sige. 4 minutes 40 eh. Number 23 for the left. Tuson. Bigla na dari number 23. Guard by Sakuragi. Ana. Number 26. Second personal foul. Penalty situation na po. And Pinto Rosales. All fouls except offensive foul. Automatic free throws yan. Remaining time po 4 minutes 32. Resolve sa po tayo. Para si Mete. Alright, number 26 on the rebound. Pass to Casa siyempre, number 29. To another Casa siyempre, number 19.
Oh.
Kinararo pa yung kasama. Number 4, bad foul on number 20. Cambio. Foul on number 19. 4 minutes 20. Again, free throws para sa number 4 ng Cavite. First shot is no good for number 4. Again, the second shot is no good. Rebound by number 29. Mr. Casa siyempre, foul on number 4. Young man, number 4. Number 4, third personal foul. Penalty. Penalty na rin po. Both teams are now penalty situations. All fouls except offensive fouls. Automatic free throws. 4 minutes, 16 seconds left. First shot ni 29 is no good. And second shot is good. 1 point lang, 1 point. And 37 to 45. 8-point lead now for the Cavite boys. Mr. Raven on the ball. Pass to Jimmy Basil. Back to Raven. 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Tinalobo. Number 27 for the offensive. Rebound foul on number 19. The big man ng Pinto Rosales. Second personal foul. Penalty. Now free throws on Mr. Montero, number 23. Using his first shot.
Ang kalaban? Pupunta kami. What the?
And second shot, wala pa rin. Lane violation.
Paano? Kaya magugulo kayo? Alvin Patrimonio, wala na. Magugulo kayo.
4 minutes now, 4 minutes. Until 4 minutes na. 3 minutes 54. Again, Ike for 3! Yan ang tirador ng Pinto Rosales. Medyo tumaba lang ng konti pero andun pa rin yung tira. 3 minutes 37 seconds. Halitang nakawag. Likod. Number 2 to number 19. Number 19! Using his body. Wala. Gets his own race for the putback. Foul on number 4 man. Number 4. Fourth personal foul. Penalty.
3 minutes, 28.
Last 3 minutes 28 seconds.
Cambio.
Okay, cambio po tayo. Cambio. Out muna si Raven, pasok si number 5, Lales.
Yan na, sigurado shoot na, sigurado na. Lal, binteng. Aman, nakita ko, ne? Ay, hindi.
Now for his second shot, Mr. Casasyon, number 19. And ayan, pasok.
Tama, tama.
3 minutes 28, 3 minutes 28. Just a 4-point lead. 4-point lead na lang yan. Marami kang oras yan. 3 minutes 20. Ayan, sa violation. 3 minutes 17 left. Apat lang yan, apat. Again, number 23, still from the angle. Aquino using his big back. Foul on number 20. Ala! Offensive foul on number 11. Teknika. Technical. Time out! Cavite! Rosales, sayang lumabas.
Kapan?
Ball possession mo. Ball possession na sa pinto na sa number 23 on the receive, Mr. Templo Nuevo. Eagle for 3!
Uy, sayang.
Ayan ang gamit ng malaki. Foul on number 19. Number 19. Third personal foul. Penalty. Last 3 minutes, 4 seconds. Subs.
Dari mo. Tissue. Medic.
Automatic cambio.
Orang kan di belakang.
Alright, substitution yung kasi tinaman ng ilong. Dalawang free throws yan. And making his first shot. Substitution. Tenemos cambio, si mete. Cambio.
Galing naman.
Alright, last 3 minutes 4 seconds. 3 minutes 4 seconds naman. Alright, number 23, Templo Nuevo for 3. This time wala. Recall of the big rebound. Pass to number 1, Mr. Raven. 41 to 47, 6 points na lang yan. 2 minutes 48. Now, 10 seconds shot left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tiempo! Ayan, naman sa rebound, number 23. 2 minutes 30 na lang yan. Ikem, solo. Ayan. 2 minutes 25. Ating the lead now to just 4 points. 2 minutes 18 seconds. Both teams are now in penalty situation. Aquino now setting up. 10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6. Ayan, stepping on the line. Ay, foul on number 26. The big man. Penalty yan, penalty. Number 26, third personal foul. Penalty. Remaining time po natin, 2 minutes, 2 seconds.
Tawag ka si Jabangir.
Two shots on Mr. Aquino, making his first shot. Now for his second shot now. 2 minutes, 2 seconds na lang yan. And lumabas, number 26 on the rebound. Last 2 minutes. Again, Tukasa siyempre, number 19. Good defense there. Big up back. There's a foul sa baba. On number 18. Penalty. Number 18. There's personal foul.
Order pito. Bossing! Takas!
23 pala yung foul. 23.
1 minute 52 seconds.
And big man, number 23. Second personal foul. Penalty pa rin yan. Asa siyempre, making his first free throw. Cutting the lead now to just 4 points, 44 to 48, and a possible 3 to make the second shot. 1 minute 52. And, ayan, pasok na po. 3-point din lang yan, 45 to 48. Last 1 minute 52 seconds. Number 11, Aquino. 14 to shoot. 10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7. Rebound by number 23. 1 minute 32. Susunod number 11. Tiemplo Nuevo. 2 Iken. 2 Casa Siyempre. Traveling violation number 29. 1 minute 24. Atras ng konti, atras. Alright, ano? At the midcourt area, Mr. Raven. 14 to shoot.
Ready to shoot.
10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7. Lumabas, number 29, pick up the rebound. Last 1 minute. 1 minute lang yan, 1 minute. 1 minuto. 1 minute lang. Again, number 18 at the inbound area. Number 18, kamating ang mga number 7 na receive. Basilio now. Pass to the big man, number 23. There's a foul. On number 29. Number 29, second personal foul. Penalty. 56 seconds left. All right, for his first shot, Mr. Montero. Now for his second shot. Last 56 seconds. Rebound by number 19, the big man, took number 23. 50 seconds. Templo Nuevo. Time out, Pinto Rosales. Last 40 seconds. Last 42 seconds. Last 42 seconds. Pumasok. 42 seconds. Again, Templo Nuevo. Still on the ball. Ike, long shot for 3. Rebound by number 19 for the putback. Power play yan. 28 seconds. Foul on number 23. 24 seconds. Third personal foul, number 23. Mga importanteng free throws yan. Importanteng 3-point free throw. And making his first shot. Extending the lead to 4 points, 51 to 47. Last 24.5 seconds. And second shot is no good. Rebound by the big man. Pinagawan sa libo pero wala. Number 20. 20 seconds. Ayan na, libre si Igal for 3. Rebound by number 19. Open shot by number 23. 11 seconds left. 11 seconds. 11 seconds. Pahingin ka tabo.
baka mabalik.
Again, 29 for 3, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.